Welcome to an exciting new era of creativity with Ideogram AI. In today's fast-paced digital world, the demand for engaging visual content is higher than ever. With Ideogram AI, you can transform your ideas into stunning images effortlessly. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional graphic design tools and embrace the power of AI-driven text-to-image technology. Let's dive into how Ideogram AI is changing the creative game. Number 1. The power of text-to-image AI. Ideogram AI harnesses the latest advancements in artificial intelligence to generate captivating images from simple text inputs. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or social media enthusiast, Ideogram AI empowers you to visualize your ideas instantly. With just a few clicks, you can turn any concept or message into eye-catching visuals that resonate with your audience. Number 2. Seamless integration and user-friendly interface. One of Ideogram AI's standout features is its seamless integration with existing platforms and user-friendly interface. Whether you prefer to use it as a standalone tool or integrate it into your favorite design software, Ideogram AI adapts to your workflow seamlessly. The intuitive interface makes it easy for both beginners and experienced designers to create stunning visuals in minutes. Number 3. Endless creative possibilities. With Ideogram AI, the creative possibilities are endless. From generating social media graphics and blog post images to designing marketing materials and presentations, Ideogram AI empowers you to unleash your creativity like never before. Explore a vast library of design elements, styles, and templates to bring your ideas to life in ways you never thought possible. Number 4. Customization and personalization. One size doesn't fit all when it comes to visual content. That's why Ideogram AI offers extensive customization and personalization options to suit your unique needs and preferences. Fine-tune your designs with adjustable parameters such as colors, fonts, layouts, and more. Whether you're aiming for a sleek and professional look or a playful and whimsical vibe, Ideogram AI puts you in control of your creative vision. Number 5. Time and cost efficiency. Gone are the days of spending hours creating graphics from scratch or hiring expensive designers. With Ideogram AI, you can streamline your design process and save valuable time and resources. By automating the image creation process, Ideogram AI allows you to focus on what matters most, crafting compelling content and engaging with your audience. Number 6. Enhanced collaboration and sharing. Collaboration is key to success in today's digital landscape. Ideogram AI facilitates collaboration by enabling seamless sharing and feedback on designs. Whether you're working with a team or seeking input from clients and stakeholders, Ideogram AI makes it easy to collaborate in real time and iterate on designs until they're perfect. Number 7. Accessibility and inclusivity. Ideogram AI is committed to accessibility and inclusivity, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to unleash their creativity. With its user-friendly interface and diverse range of design options, Ideogram AI empowers individuals of all skill levels and backgrounds to create visually stunning content. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete novice, Ideogram AI welcomes you to the world of creative expression. With these innovative features, Ideogram AI empowers users to create stunning visuals with ease and efficiency, revolutionizing the way content is generated and shared online. In conclusion, Ideogram AI is revolutionizing the way we create visual content. By leveraging the power of AI-driven text-to-image technology, Ideogram AI empowers individuals and businesses to unleash their creativity and share their stories with the world. Say goodbye to design limitations and hello to a new era of limitless possibilities with Ideogram AI. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join the creative revolution. Sign up for Ideogram AI today and take your designs to the next level. And remember to subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and tips on unleashing your creativity with Ideogram AI.